So I'm in my Chrysler 300. It won't start when I just turn the ignition and try to start it. I have to turn the ignition, leave the lights on for a while until this little red light turns off, and then it starts. Does anybody know what this little red light is? Right there. Once that turns off, then it starts right up. Runs like a champ. I just always gotta do that. If anybody could help me out in any kind of way, I'd really appreciate it. It's a Chrysler 2006 300. I don't know what it says on the back, but that's what it is right there, man. If anybody has any idea of what that might be, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, guys.